When the screen appears, select the language to install and select the time and format and click next. And now click install now. After this, please wait for a few seconds. After load, select the 64-bit system architecture or 86-bit according to your system architecture. Press next and accept the license. Click next. Select the custom and Windows is asking you where you want to install the Windows. Now I will show you how can you format your drive. Click on driver option and now select your drive where you want to format. I selected and click on format. After click on format, message will appear and click OK. See, the driver will format. And now click next. After wait 4 minutes to complete this all process. Screen will appear. Type your name as a system name and select date and time zone from here. After click on next. Windows is finalizing your settings. Please wait for a minute. When you install the software, Windows several times restart your computer automatically. So it's restarting and now your operating system is installed successfully. Your Windows is successfully installed. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe the channel for more updates. Like the video, share the video.